Cold lay tarmac can be a practical, eco-friendly repair option when chosen and used with careful environmental precautions. Cold lay tarmac is a pre-mixed asphalt product used without heating, which reduces on-site energy use and emissions compared with hot mix methods. Choose formulations labeled low volatile organic compounds and look for suppliers who provide a material safety data sheet so you can confirm composition and any additives. Store bags or containers off the ground and under cover to prevent contamination from rain and to avoid accidental washout into storm drains. When applying, work from high to low elevation so that any loose particles are contained. Sweep up excess immediately and collect it in sealed containers for proper disposal or recycling. Avoid working when rain is forecast so solids do not wash into gutters, and use simple barriers such as temporary sandbags or silt socks around drains when working near watercourses. Clean tools with minimal water, scrape excess product back into waste containers, and dispose of rinse water through allowed municipal systems or by evaporation on absorbent material that is then handled as solid waste. Common issues include product runoff during unexpected rain, which you prevent by checking weather closely and using temporary drain barriers, residual loose aggregate that can migrate, which you prevent by sweeping and securing the repair edge with compacting and edge sealing, and concern over chemical leaching, which you address by selecting low volatile organic compounds products, keeping material contained, and not disposing of leftovers or wash water into storm sewers. If waste accumulates, bag it and follow local solid waste rules rather than burying or washing it away. If a repair is near sensitive vegetation, place a physical barrier between the repair and plants and remove any contaminated soil for proper handling. We operate bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find work related to repairs like cold lay tarmac projects. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we and other members share experiences, product recommendations, and practical tips for minimizing environmental impact.